This is Charles with Alphapex. My goal is to add value to your construction project today. We're going to be discussing fluid applied product application methods. As product chemistries continue to evolve and develop, we see fewer sheet applied applications and more fluid applied applications across product ranges, waterproofing, air barriers, and others. The typical application processes we would see with fluid applied products are trowel applied, roller applied, power roller applied, or spray applied. Let's go into the details of each method. Trowel applied is typically for very dense, difficult products that couldn't be applied any other way. Also, we would see this method in many stucco systems. This method is typically slower, but works well if something is cementitious or otherwise hard to get onto the wall. Roller applied would be using a standard paint roller of varying nap thicknesses for light and medium viscosity products. With roller applied, you have the flexibility to do small areas, move around very efficiently. Thin build products are easier in roller applications. You have to watch the process as the build of the product gets thicker. Over 30 mils, you often have to do multiple coats with a roller. Disadvantages are not quite as fast as spraying, and you also get roller marks and other inconsistencies in the coating. Roller application is still the most common method. Equipment is simple. Nearly anyone can do it. You don't have equipment to clean. There's zero risk of overspray, and it's very simple to move around very quickly. The power roller application method is relatively new. It combines a paint roller and a sprayer into one device. You will spray the coating onto the wall, pass over it with the roller, all in one movement. You get the efficiencies of spraying without the risks of overspray. This particular system minimizes drips transferring from bucket to wall. However, it's not quite as fast as a spray system. Spray application will most commonly be used where there is large areas or large volumes of product to be applied at one time. There are many different equipment options that vary widely. Thin, less viscous products often can be applied with a smaller sprayer. As the viscosity increases and the volume of product increases, you would need a much larger roof coating machine. We use a fleet of Graco 833s. The machine is very durable, can run multiple guns at one time, and we have found very few coatings that it won't spray. From the GC, owner, and architect's perspective, it's very important to consider the application method early on in the project as you're setting up schedule and sequencing. The methodology that's going to be used for application of waterproofing and air barrier products may affect the way that the job flows. For example, if the installer's intent is to spray apply the air barrier on the entire project, then it's unlikely they would want to mobilize for very small areas at one time. Definitely something to consider early on. I hope you found this information helpful. Please leave feedback and let us know some topics that you'd like to hear in the future. This is Charles with Alphapex, your partner in the construction process. Have a great day.